All right, so we definitely got a lot of ice. Scout's out here playing in the snow. He loves it. It's cold. It's the next morning here, and as you can see, we got a ton of ice mixed in with that snow last night. So the Bronco does not have good wipers. Well, it's got wipers. It doesn't have a really good defrost system, so we didn't get it out, but it might be time to get it out now. Right after we get done playing with Scout. Alright, we're trying to get in the Escalade here, and the door's completely frozen shut. What a mess. We did put the John Deere inside here yesterday actually, so it's nice and completely cleaned off. We'll get it fired up and we'll get the driveway cleaned out, start cleaning up after the storm. We got most of the driveway cleaned up here. We got the Escalade moved, so we'll get that spot cleaned up. So let's go ahead and see if the Bronco will fire up in this cold weather. It's got quite the ice pack on the windshield, like I said here. As you can see, I don't know how good the defrost is, but we'll get it fired up and get it warmed up a while. All right, we're inside here. Build some fuel pressure. I tried to. One more time, it's gonna do it. I know it. Whoa. There we go. Alright, let's see here. We'll put the fan on high. Definitely need hot. I don't know how well that works. All the way to defrost. It's blowing out of the defrost, so I'll put my gloves back on, clean that windshield off, and hopefully we can get this thing thawed down. Still running, that's a good sign. All right, we got it thawed off fairly good. The wipers did quit working. I think we might have blew a fuse. They went that far and then just stopped. But it's still running. Let's get it kind of backed out of its spot here and see what we can do here. Can't really see anything because everything is completely still froze up. So might have to let it run a little while longer. Yeah, I see you, engine light. All right, we took for a little drive and we did end up with another fuel leak down here. It looks like I didn't quite go far enough first time and it sprung another leak, or they hit it again, which I don't think they did, but you never know with those little creatures. So we'll pull it apart. These are quick disconnects for fuel line, and we'll pull it apart and slide down a little bit more. All right, after getting that back together, nothing wants to cooperate very good because it's cold, but we have it back together now. Let's give this another shot. All right, we're ready to go here. Let's close this hatch up. Whoa! Yo! Being attacked here. All right, we're cruising along the snow now.
Are you cameraing this?
Yeah, I'm cameraing this.
Oh God! I'm gonna die!
Alright, let's see what she's got.
Abby! Nothing!
Nothing. Crawled right up it. Alright, so that was really nothing for this thing, but that's a pretty steep hill there. We can go back down it. Alright, let's hit these big giant clumps. coming in. All right, let's go down this ditch.
Alright, I don't want
Hang on.
I don't want you little taping this anymore, alright? Baba, you're okay.
Easy peasy. All right, let's run through this ditch now. See if it'll back up that hill. What do you guys think?
I think it's gonna make it.
I don't think it's gonna make it. You think? Oh yeah.
All right, so since I can't see anything out of the back window, I guess you guys will have to look for me. Easy.
Let's
There's
go.
a Jeep.
Go, go, go.
Get back in gear.
Wow! Whoa.
All right, so we've had a little bit of fun here, and Abigail here. How old are you, Abigail?
14.
14. She's never driven stick shift. She wants to give it a shot. Let's let her see. All right, we're gonna jump in this side. Jump in the back, Val. Yeah, don't hit the shifter. All right, so we need to teach her real quick here how to drive stick.
I know that.
So that the middle pedal is the brake.
Okay.
This pedal is the gas, of course. Go ahead and hit the gas so you can hear it.
That's the shifter.
That's
This
the
is
clutch. Okay, so far right is
Yeah.
clutch. Push it in.
Okay.
Okay, all the way in.
Okay.
Grab the shifter, pull it towards you
And then.
and up.
Okay.
That's first gear. This is neutral. When you can move it around like that, that's neutral.
Okay, so I want to go this way
And up. Okay.
Right.
All right. Well, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. Go ahead and put it in neutral. That's not neutral.
Wait. Go up. No, wait. There it is. That's neutral.
Right, because you can move it around. Okay. So go ahead and let off the clutch. See, you're in neutral. Hit that center pedal. That's your brake.
Okay.
Use this leg.
one.
Okay. All right. So there's your 3 pedals.
Okay.
We're not going fast. We're not going far. You'll be
No.
fine. So we're sitting still. You can let off the brake.
Okay.
Put that foot, your right foot, on the gas.
Okay.
Left foot on the clutch.
Okay.
All the way in.
Okay.
Go ahead and put it in first gear. There you go. Slowly. Oh,
I stalled it.
you sure did. All right, no problem. Push in the clutch.
Okay.
Put it back in neutral. There you go. Start it up. You got to push all the way in. All right, we're gonna allow ski. All right.
Don't pull out so fast.
Yeah, nice and slow. You can just gradually let it up, and
Okay.
it'll just take off. You can give it a little gas as you're letting the clutch out.
Okay.
That'll keep it from
nervous.
stall.
I'm so
All right,
nervous.
all the way in on the clutch.
Okay.
All right, put it in first gear. There you go. Slowly out. Hit a little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. There you go.
Oh,
She's driving. You want to shift?
Yeah, I guess I'll try.
Push in the clutch. Pull it straight back.
Like that?
Oh, no. That.
Straight back?
Yeah, so there's first, there's neutral, there's second.
back, okay.
All right, so now we got to try that again.
Alright.
Go ahead, push the clutch in. First gear, there you go.
Oh, a dummy.
You gotta give it a little gas as you're doing it.
Okay.
She'll get it. Take 3. Yeah, hold on, push the clutch in. You gotta give it some gas. So keep your foot on the gas pedal. Give it some gas, there you go. All right, we're moving. Go ahead and try and shift. All the way in the clutch, straight back, let out the... Okay, you gotta be a little bit smoother. All right, she's got first gear down, go for second. All right, not quite so much gas, but you got the drift of it.
Stop.
All right, Val, how old are you?
8.
8, you ready to drive?
Heck no, I don't know how to drive a four-wheeler and a go-kart.
How about Bronco?
Never tried.
You want to? The Bronco's doing pretty good. We did have a couple issues where it started running rough again, but it cleared back up. So Not really sure. Sounds all right now. We had some fun. Our snow is sadly starting to melt here and dwindle down a little bit. But hopefully we get a lot more snow this year. We can get this thing out and have some really good fun. Really anxious to get this maybe to Ralph's Creek. The girls have fun in it. So thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.